Hello dear students, this is the fourth lecture related to class 11 physics from first chapter, that is physical world and measurement. And in this chapter, fourth lecture, we will discuss about the important term, that is parallax, and very easy concept about parallax. The concept of parallax means what? That is shifting of position. When we just view with the help of one eye, keeping one eye closed, just in this case, then the position of this marker pen will change when we just change the position of eye closing. When we just close left eye, then this one shifting towards left, and when we just close right eye, then this one shifting towards right. It means the shift in position of any object when we just view with the help of two eyes, keeping one eye closed, then this is known as parallax. And what is the concept of parallax? Suppose here this is the position of eye at O, object at O, and this is the left eye and this is right eye, and when we just close one eye, then this one position shifting towards, suppose closing left eye, then this one shifting towards left, and when we just close right, then this one shifting towards right. And shift in position of any object with respect to background, that is defined as what? Parallax. Suppose this one distance is what? B, and this one is x, an angle at the object, angle at the object point when we just viewed with two different eye. First from left eye closing, it means viewing with right eye, and when we just closing right eye and view with left eye, then the position changes of an object is defined as parallax. So this one angle is theta, then by definition of parallax, the shift in position, of an object, with respect to background, when viewed with two eyes, keeping one eye is closed, is called parallax. Very easy definition. When you just listen one time, then you can understand. When we just close left eye, then the object position shifting towards left, and when we just close right eye, then the object position shifting towards right. It means the angle formed at eye if theta, and the position of object shifting whenever towards left and whenever towards right, that is represented by L and R. If distance between L and R is B, an angle made at I is what? Theta, then the distance of this left and right position from center of I, that is theta, then angle is equal to arc upon radius. Angle is equal to arc upon radius. Theta is equal to L upon R. And parallax is a generally method to measure the larger distances of stars, and under condition the distance of stars is less than 100 light years. As we discussed earlier about the light years is the distance measuring units. That's the concept of parallax measurement. Very easy and very useful concept. See what is the concept of diagram and method. Everything will be clear, and we will use what? This formula theta is equal to what? L upon r. It means angle is equal to arc upon radius. You see, suppose this is the rotational condition of earth around sun, and here sun is lies at major axis. Here A and B is the extreme diametrical position of earth, and we have to calculate what? The nearby star distance. Suppose the distance is here A N or B N, A N or B N, then how to calculate if the far away point, that is F and F dash, if making an angle theta 1 and theta 2, then the total angle, this one theta 1, then this one also theta 1, and this one theta 2. Total angle at the nearby star. First listen about the parallax method. In which condition parallax method is applicable? Whenever the distance of stars or distance of any object is less than the 100 light years, then we can apply the parallax method to calculate the distance of that point from earth. And here position of earth either at point A or at point B, and here S is the position of sun, and we are knowing the distance between sun and earth center, that is astronomical units. So by applying formula, angle is equal to arc upon radius, and here arc, that is AB, radius here, that is AN, an angle theta 1 plus theta 2. So AN is equal to AB upon theta 1 plus theta 2. Take this one equation number 1. Now AB is equal to 2AS, where AS is the astronomical unit, that is the average distance between the center of earth and center of sun, that is equal to 1.5 into 10 power 11 meter. So this one becomes what? 3.0 into 10 power 11 meter. This is the value of AB, and with the help of this AB and theta 1 plus theta 2 information, we can calculate what? AN, that is the required distance of nearby stars. That is, I think nearly must be less than 100 light years, that we can apply this concept parallax and measure the distance of the nearby stars from earth, either the earth right at this position or at this position. Very easy and very useful concept. Mostly 3 or 4 numericals given in NCERT book, and I think nearly 10 numericals given in SAT book. Only one the concept, that is angle is equal to arc upon radius. This formula is applicable, and simple diagram, when you just trying one time and write one time, then everything will be clear. So that's all for today. We will discuss about the dimension concept in next lecture. So you must revise. Thank you. Have a nice day.